What's up, guys? Desert Dirt Bikes here. Today we're gonna fix my fucking pinch flat, guys. Last time we rode, we changed my tire, but we didn't have the right size tube, and that was pretty cringe. And right at the last moment, it pinched itself flat. And oh yeah, got that brand new valve stem delete. Hold on.
Yeah, so
Where's that?
right there.
Oh, dude.
His
Fresh
tire,
weight savings about like 2 grams.
Yeah, his tire had a catastrophic failure.
Almost died, guys.
Almost died.
Almost
didn't
died.
get it on video.
Yeah, didn't
But
get
it's
over
okay.
it. Sorry, guys.
Sorry, guys. Yo.
Yep. Alright, we have the tube right here. Heavy duty tube, 3 millimeters. That thing gonna fit this new tire, guys.
Yo.
And it's gonna be epic.
Oh, first of all, we gotta loosen the rim locks on.
Oh yeah. Don't wanna like rip your tube.
No.
Even though it is kind of like stripped.
Oh my god, dude.
Hope we're gonna need that
We're
tube
so-
tilt chair.
Yeah, you might need it.
Oh, you gotta sniff it.
Oh.
Took a big bite out of her, son.
We got a big bite.
Yeah. Any more?
Walk the tire, walk the tire.
Walk the tire.
Oh, guys, that's a rim lock.
Yeah, hold on. Down the room.
Oh, we got it, son. The Shinko is coming off again.
Yeah. Again.
Alright. Oh yeah, thanks for 105 subscribers, guys.
Yep. 106 now.
106. Well, just 100 subscribers in general.
Yeah, but one of you bitches unsubscribed, dude. Fuck
Yeah,
you, dude.
yeah, screw
Suck
you.
my cock.
Pull it out while I pull this tube.
Ah!
We got it.
Oh.
Hey, let's peep the damage.
Keep the damage.
What's the tube looking like, son? What if it's like perfectly fine?
Let's try to air her up.
I want to see where the hole is at. Yeah, so we in fact have a flat, but this is patchable, so I'm gonna keep it. But for now, we got the test tire tube, 3 millimeter.
Yeah.
Try not to. We're trying not to pinch it. Oh,
Right?
that's how we do her.
I think these tire changes have gotten a little easier.
Yeah, be careful with the tube this time.
Yeah.
Right.
Even though this one's thicker and way better,
Yeah.
be careful.
Oh! Look at it.
No!
Oh! 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 Tyson.
Yes! We got it!
What do you have to say about
thank
this?
God.
Major win?
Major win. Major
Yep.
win.
Major win.
Major win. Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Think putting you in Jeff Shell was definitely the strat.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh!
Twist it. Twist it.
Oh yeah, so let's go on this. Let's go this side.
Farted.
Dude, Dustin, they just. Oh, there it goes.
Oh look, and the rib lock is all the way up too.
Oh yeah, son. She's on there.
Yeah, she's good.
I mean, dude, it's a locking nut too, so.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm trying to roost you.
No. Alright guys, so we're back at the house.
Yeah.
Sucks, but you know, I got a pinch flat on the front. We're like hot swapping it right now. But yeah.
Yeah, the importer kind of stopped.
At least we had some good riding, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like onions.
This probably be the end of the video.
Yeah.
I think so. Like and subscribe. Nah, right.